everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a 12 by 12 canvas on my Lazy Susan here. I got the white acrylic already down there. I'm going to do a bit of a drizzle swipe and probably add some flowers. I'm kind of in a flower mood tonight. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to give it a quick little torch to get some of the bubbles out. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It means the world to me. Keep the comments and thumbs up coming. I know I say it every time, you guys, but I really do appreciate it so much. I just, no words can describe it. I get home from work and see comments and I'm thrilled to be able to read some. Okay, I'm going to be using up some colors again. I've got a couple of yellows. There's some neon yellow, neon orange, a little bit of neon pink. Just using up colors, get them out of these cups because they don't last that long in the cups, maybe a couple weeks at the most. Now everything is mixed, 50% acrylic paint, 50% Floetrol, no water, no silicone in there, but I do have my white sitting right here that I want to do some swiping with, and I have 3 drops of silicone in that to try and help with cells. That's pretty much covering everybody, or everything for the paint, so let's do this. Oh, wait a minute, let's do show and tell. I want to show you a couple of the paintings that I have drying. Now I already showed in my last video the Christmas tree, so I'm not going to show you that again. But here is the split cup I did, which actually I think the video is just uploaded tonight, so this will be uploaded probably tomorrow night, so you're 1 day behind roughly. So this is the split cup. It's only my 3rd attempt, and it actually is really pretty. It kind of reminds me of like rose petals in there, so I'm very thrilled with that. And then my wrecked Drizzle spin is that one right there. I don't know if you can see how shiny the paint is, but it just turned out awesome. So there you go. There's 2 show and tells for you that are drying. They're not totally done, but pretty much. Okay, let's start drizzling some color down. I'm going to be doing a little bit of this orange. That's real bright. So we're going to be saying definitely just a little bit. Okay. Let's do a little bit of the bright neon pink as well. As it sits in these little cups, it tends to thicken up a little bit too. So just an FYI, if you save any of your paints, they do tend to thicken up. Okay, let's put some yellow down. And put a tiny bit of green down in this area. Okay, let's swipe that and see how it looks. Oh, what the heck, we'll put a little bit of this dreamy, it's like a beigey orange color. Okay. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my white. I already have the white base, so I don't really need very much of this. And I'm just going to lightly swipe all the way down. Now what I'm using to swipe is actually printed from a 3D printer. My wonderful man Greg made me this. It actually says Sandra Sensations at the bottom. It's really tiny, you probably can't see it, but he's so awesome to me. And it makes for a wonderful swipe tool. And Moose, if you're watching right now, Moose Crazy, the flowing canvas, check out her channel. I'll try and get Greg to put a link in my description so you can check out her channel. You have one of these coming your way as well. I put it into a card tonight, into the mail, And yes, Moose, it says the flowing canvas on it for you. I hope you like it. Alrighty. Well, I'm liking this so far. Now I think I'm just going to give it a little bit of a spin just to see if it expands any of the cells a little bit for me. We'll see. So I'll trial and error tonight. Let's see what happens. Sorry if you get dizzy, you guys. Fast forward this part if you do. Okay. Wasn't a graceful stop, but that's okay. And it did expand my cells, which is awesome. I think I'm going to go the other way with the spinning. Just a little bit. And I knocked over one of my plastic lids just now. Hopefully it landed face up on the carpet. We'll find out later. You know me, I always got bloopers. You guys didn't catch that though, I just told on myself, didn't I? Okay. There we go. So I'm just going to lift this for a sec and just give it a little bit of a tilt, just because I'm not as crazy about the white, as much white as I have up top there. So let's see if we can get any of it flowing downwards. Is it even moving? Oh yeah, it's moving. I can see it. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit more drizzling down. I'm going to do some bright orange right here where I see some in the cells. And a little bit over here. And we'll add a little bit down in this area. Up here too, there's some. And maybe over here. I'm going to put some yellow down here as well. Now, I've never done one of these drizzle flowers. It's just an idea I had in my head. I'm not sure if anybody else has done this. I really couldn't tell you. I just wanted to give it a whirl. If it doesn't work, I can always pull out my airbrush and fix it, so to speak. Okay, so basically the same colors that I have down on the background are going to be in my flowers. And I have just a little piece of plastic. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up, but I just kind of cut it in a circular tip. And I'm going to put it in my white paint. And I'm just going to swipe some flowers. We'll see what happens. I think I need some napkin. Oop, dripped in there, but that's okay. I'll leave that sit for a minute, let it do its thing, and we'll put some white in this area here. I'm going to bring some of that paint down here because I feel like it needs it. Yes, I think that was a very good call. I was going to waste that paint, and I thought, no, I'll use it for one of the flowers. Okay, let me just give it a little bit of a torch. Let's see if anything's going to transpire with cells, because cells always change your artwork because of the way the cells create within it. Let's see here. I'm just going to grab a little bit of the bright yellow. This one, I think a little bit of the orange. It's amazing what you can do with a little piece of plastic, hey? I'll do some bright pink in this one too. Okay, I like those two. That one needs some yellow in it. I think I'm going to go with some green now. I'm just going to put a little bit in my tray here. Okay, what do I do with my plastic? There it is. We got a little sprout of orange there to make that a bloom. That was my spill. Looks kind of cool. Okay, just about done here, you guys. Okay. Let's see here. I'm just going to grab my paint knife and get a little bit more of that green picked up. Okay. Now, should I airbrush any of it or leave it as is? It does look pretty cool. I think I'm going to do just a little bit more green. Just to help frame the blooms a little bit. And then I will call it done. There we go. I really like the swiping background. I think it just adds so much to it. Okay. This artist is a happy camper. Let me just pick it up. We'll twist it. And there we go, some wildflowers and some pretty colors. There we go, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that. Please stick around. I'm sure Greg will be putting another video up on that screen for you to stick around and watch. Remember, hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks very much, everyone.